Let's go. Yeah.
When you add all these ingredients to your shampoo, it is going to leave your hair feeling soft, more manageable and moisturized. It is going to condition your hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome to Natural Gold Secret. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. I love you all. So guys, welcome back my old and returning subscribers. Today's video I will share with you guys a simple natural hair growth shampoo using black soap. You can use any shampoo of your choice, or you can decide to add these ingredients to the shampoo that you already have. It helps a lot guys and promotes hair growth as well. So I'll be making this shampoo from scratch using African black soap. This is what African black soap looks like. It is an amazing soap that helps to maintain and support a healthy scalp. It promotes hair growth, it nourishes follicles and minimizes dandruff. It has antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral excellent remedy for hair loss. It is an excellent remedy that will help with itchiness, scalp issue, eczema, alopecia and many more skin and hair issues. On this video, like I said earlier, I will share with you guys how to make a natural hair growth shampoo, and also I will share with you guys some natural ingredients that you can add to your shampoo that will promote a healthy hair growth and also make your scalp healthy as well. Whether you're adding it to your shampoo that you are making from scratch, or you can add it to the already made shampoo that you have at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up. Alright guys, so I went ahead to dice up our African black soap, and I went ahead to put it into a clean jar. And the first ingredient that you can add to your shampoo or to your African black soap is our coffee, a grounded coffee guys. Yes, coffee is an amazing ingredient that you can add that detoxify your scalp. It boosts blood circulation, it detangles unwanted hair, it detangles unmanageable hair that you have. It promotes hair growth guys. It promotes hair growth. It makes hair shaft stronger. You want your hair shaft to be stronger and smoother in order for it to minimize breakage. When your hair shaft is strong, it hardly breaks. Okay guys, so coffee is an amazing ingredient that you can add to any shampoo. It is absolutely very great. So the second ingredient is our flaxseed. Here I have a powdered flaxseed. You can use the seed, the normal flaxseed, or you can use the powder form, whichever you have. Flaxseed actually is very great for hair growth. It improves hair growth, and it also makes your hair follicles stronger. All these ingredients makes your hair stronger, your hair follicles actually, it makes it stronger. When your hair shaft, your hair follicles is stronger, like I said earlier, it prevents a breakage, okay? And also it prevents split ends as well. So the second ingredient I will be making use of is our peppermint leaf. I absolutely love peppermint leaf. You can use it in the essential oil form or in an oil form, or you can use the actual leaf. Okay, whichever you have. Peppermint leaves help in reducing hair fall. It promotes hair growth. It helps in reducing breakage. It gives your hair shine. So the other ingredient is our rosemary leaves guys. Rosemary is an amazing leaf that also help to give you that cooling sensation. It gives you a tingling sensation in your scalp and promote blood circulation. It improves hair thickness. It has the ability to circulate your scalp. It is very great. It promotes hair growth as well. So guys, I absolutely love rosemary leaves as well. So the next ingredient that you can add to your shampoo is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps in strengthening your hair and lowering your hair and scalp pH. I use apple cider vinegar in so many ways. It is absolutely very good for the body, both your hair, your skin, inside and out. It also helps in stimulating the shedding of dead skin cells from your scalp, because our scalp can accumulate dead skin cells and you will not know what is wrong with your scalp, and our scalp can also have fungal growth. Apple cider vinegar helps in reducing fungal growth on the scalp and hair. It also makes your hair look shining. It makes it feel smooth. So after adding in about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, I will then be adding in my hot water, because it is the hot water that will be melting down the black soap. If you are not using black soap, if you have a shampoo that you want to add all these ingredients in, you can first of all infuse everything and then be pouring in, then go ahead to sieve it and add it to your shampoo. So I will be infusing this for a day or two, depending on when you want to infuse it, but a day overnight is even okay to infuse everything. So guys, I will show you what it looks like the next day, but right now I am just showing you guys. It is starting to infuse the coffee, the rosemary, the peppermint, the apple cider vinegar, everything that we added to our African black soap. Everything is going to infuse into the water solution. Our African black soap is going to get it is going to melt. So I will show you what it looks like after the next day. Alright guys, this is what our shampoo is now looking like. Everything is well infused and dissolved. Our shampoo, our African black soap has dissolved, and now we will be straining it. You want to make sure to strain your shampoo mixture. As you guys can see, it is very dark in color. I have a video of my first shampoo that I made with African black soap. I added other ingredients to it. I'll be linking it in the description box. I added in shea butter. It was very creamy, and that color differs from this one. So if you want to see how to make that one, it will also be in the link in the description box. I have other shampoo recipe. I will be also leaving it in the description box below, so do well to check it out if you're interested. So as you guys can see, our mixture is smelling good already. Make sure to strain this again. I actually went ahead to strain this again with a cheesecloth. You want to properly strain it. So I will be adding in aloe vera gel. This comes my favorite part, the juicy part. I will also be adding in other amazing ingredients for hair growth. Another ingredient that I will be adding is my glycerin. Glycerin is absolutely very also great for your hair. It is an humectant, or you can use honey extract or other humectant properties or ingredients. So I will be adding in my hair oil. You can use any oil of your choice, any lightweight oil. I will be adding in a tablespoon of that, and then I will be adding in my vitamin E oil, my essential oil. You can also add in preservative if you are making a very large batch or you will not be able to finish it for a long time. Just add in preservative. There are different type of preservative. So as far as it contains water, just add in preservative. For this shampoo, I will be using it with my daughter. Anyone can use this shampoo because it is not having any ingredient that will damage your hair at all. These are very natural ingredients that are very good for your hair. So I added in my lavender essential oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful. So your shampoo is ready. Go ahead to store it into your container and use it. It will not strip your hair. It will leave your scalp clean. You want to make sure your scalp is clean and not stripped, okay? Not to the extent that it will strip your hair. It will also boost hair growth. It minimizes breakage. A lot of the amazing ingredients that we have used on for this shampoo, they are very, very great for the hair. They are very natural and it will help to promote and minimize hair breakage. If you are experiencing hair itchiness, alopecia, baldness, fungal growth on your scalp, this shampoo is very great for scalp on your scalp. The ingredients that we have used, you can see for yourself that they are very great for the scalp. So go ahead to package your shampoo. As you can see, our shampoo is very light. In case you don't want a very light shampoo like this, there are some ingredients that you can add to make it thick, which is xanthan gum. One of them is xanthan gum or guar gum. You can use xanthan gum to thicken up your shampoo. It will make it feel as if it is a store-bought shampoo. It will make it thicker, but I just prefer to leave it like this since I'm going to be using it at home. So there are a lot of people that will use this shampoo, so for before 1 month this shampoo is finished. So that is why I did not bother adding in preservative, but you can add in preservative, guys, and make it thicker than this if you prefer the jelly or the thicker shampoo. So guys, thank you for watching and don't forget to check the description box for more details and other similar videos like this. Please share this video, subscribe, please guys, subscribe. Don't just go like that. Make sure to join the family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, I know you enjoyed it, so subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you guys, and I will catch you on my next video. So right now I will show you guys how this shampoo looks like, how it foams and just cleans my hand. It makes it very smooth, guys. It's very creamy, okay, and I absolutely love the smell of this shampoo. So I'm going to bubble it on my hand right now and show you guys how the foam looks like. It is going to foam very well. A little goes a long way, guys, and you all will enjoy this shampoo. So I hope you guys find it helpful. Bye for now, guys.